Ooh-wee. 2020 has been an unbelievably challenging year. I'm grateful that I have a tribe of women that I can count on to help me gain clarity when I'm in a state of confusion. And right now, no justice for Breonna Taylor has me in a state of confusion. And yet I keep showing up and pressing forward. I'm Davina Lyons, founder and facilitator of the Tribe Authentic Woman Workshop. 2 years ago, I had no idea what today would be like. The Tribe Authentic Woman Workshop is hosted monthly for a reason. It's a process to personally grow and develop, to become more resilient, and recognize your personal power. I'm inviting you to this month's workshop. The topic, your authentic beliefs. It's from the 8 steps to mastering authenticity. This topic is perfect for what we are currently experiencing in our society. Many of us are at odds with what we believe and definitely can't understand what others believe. What do you believe about yourself? Are your beliefs rooted in and growing out of your core personal values or fear? Does what you believe help or hurt you when it comes to interpersonal relationships? We're going to answer these questions and more in this month's workshop. We will also be taking a real deep dive in a discussion about core values, implicit biases, and negative distorted thinking. Because what you think can make a major difference in many areas of your life. Join us. Get the 8-step process to reframe your beliefs. This virtual workshop will be in 2 parts. Part 1 is Sunday, September 27th, and Part 2 is Sunday, October 11th. Both will be from 2 to 4 p.m. Women, it's time to turn the lens inward and do the work to confidently and courageously navigate these times we're living in. It's for the sake of our careers, relationships, and more importantly, our children and their futures. See the registration details and options below. Like and share this video with the women that you care about. And I will see you at the workshop.